What the heck is a budget sheet? Great question, right? A budget sheet is something that people should be using on a monthly basis, if not weekly or bi-weekly, to keep their finances in order. So businesses, they use some form of a budget sheet so they'll know what amount of expenses they have versus the amount of income they are receiving. And then also, surprisingly, wealthy people also use budget sheets too. So they can keep track. They're very smart with their money. They can keep track of what amount of money is coming in versus what's going out. And my philosophy is, if rich people are using it, wealthy people are using it, and businesses, why would I not do it for myself? That way I'll know when my income comes in, I know exactly what every single dollar is doing. I give every single dollar an assignment to know, okay, I'm paying this, I'm saving this, and this dollar is going there. And that helps me stay on track so I won't overspend or I won't forget about a bill and things like that. So on a budget sheet, this is where you're going to have all your essential bills. And I call them essential because these are things that you really can't get rid of, like your rent, your mortgage, like your phone bill, anything with health insurance, childcare expenses, whatever that you really truly can't get rid of on a monthly basis. That's what I put as in my essential bills. Followed behind that, I lie out all of my debt. So all my consumer debt. So if that's, I don't know, a credit card, if it's a loan, if I owe somebody, whatever that case may be, I would lay all that out also too on my budget sheet. And this helps me keep track of that debt. So as I pay on it or pay towards it, I'll know if I'm close to getting that zero balance. That also helps me stay on track per paycheck when I get paid. And then also my income. I'll put, my W-2 business on there, or, if you got a side hustle, that's something you can put on there. If you have, like any kind of alimony, child support, whatever your source of income that you have, you want to add that on there. So you want to look at the broad picture. What I like to do to stay accountable is to look at my budget sheet frequently. So some people may say look at it at the top of every month. I say look at it if you get paid every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks. Or if you're paid bi-weekly, look at it bi-weekly. And each week I look at mine. This helps me stay on track to know, okay, I have this coming up, I need to pay, that coming up, I need to pay. And it avoids any extra spending, avoids me to forget about any bills. And you got to think about it. When you forget about these bills, a lot of them have late fees. So if you have late fees tacked on top of the debt that you already owe, then now that's even more money that's going out. So I personally like to use budget sheets to iron out all of my expenses, to keep me organized with all my essential bills, any debt that I have, and any income that I have coming in. And that helps me stay on track. So what I would like for you guys to do is comment below if you would like to see more videos on how I make my budget sheet. Some more videos you guys might want to see. I'm really big on finances, like just overall, like just paying off debt, investing, saving, where to invest, where to put your 3 to 6 months of savings, or if you want to do a year savings. Like, I like to iron all that stuff out. And while I'm at it, just a quick tidbit about me: I am a mom, and then as a single mom at that with 4 kids, I have to stay on track. So I'm like, if I can do it, and I'm learning even more as I go, and I'm sharing this knowledge with other people, that means you guys can do it too. You just got to have that willpower and figure out what might be in the way for you to achieve the goals that you have. So yes, if you guys want to have more videos like this where I can go more into depth about budgeting and saving, let me know in the comments, and I'll start making those videos and make more content. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.